Am I fucking invisible to people? Jesus! Good struth! Alright, what is up everybody, Beautiful for here? These are a set of Roadster Air horns. They're 12 volt, you don't need to use the two of them. I'm only going to be using the one today, but today I am going to install them, and the reason I'm putting these on is for the video you will have seen just before this, or maybe just after it, depending on how I edit. What you need to install them is quite simple. You need an 11mm spanner, so that badger, and something to open them with. Right. And before anything else is done, let's just have a little listen of what the standard horn sounds like, for comparison purposes only. And when you're going along, especially with the exhausts, that sounds nothing more like a duck farting. So, let's get this show on the road. I'm not going to show you me taking that off and plugging these ones in. It's literally all you do is you unscrew that little badger there. You take this off, you unplug it, there's two little, it's fairly simple, but you just slot on top of them, you unplug them, and you screw a new one on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try each one, because they are different sounds, and see which one I prefer, and stick that on. So I'll see you momentarily. Alright guys, but as I was saying, I wasn't aware there are some spacers, for those of you who want to know. There you go on the actual, sorry, you can't, on this side of the horn itself, so just keep hold of them. Make sure you're aware when you're taking things apart, just as a general rule, you know which way to go back on. It makes life a bit easier. Right, so what is up everybody, it's fitted now. One thing I will say is you also do need a 10mm spanner, as these, as it turns out, are not quite long enough to get for your standard one, so I have had to replace this with a little gold one. It does come with, comes with two, obviously it comes with two air horns. Does come with its own little nuts as well, which has its own nuts, good to know, which is a 10mm spanner for when you need it, and this is what it sounds like. I'll take a little bit of a step back. So as you can see, it does a very good job, and I look forward to using it in the future. Right, yes, so that is a slight pain in the arse to remove. It's actually the one thing I've also, kudos to Triumph, is that the Allen keys bolt at the top, which is just in there, is actually very good quality, and even if you can't quite get your Allen key in straight, it doesn't round it off, which is very nice. However, I have recently just come back from a ride and have now got 3rd-degree burns on my hands from having him in there fondling around with nuts. Thanks for watching everybody, it's been 404 here, and have a good one.